Hey everyone, we have been busy this morning. We made graham crackers, homemade graham crackers. Jaden loves graham crackers and they're not the best thing for kids. So I've been wanting to make my own and I got this cookbook, Paleo, can you see it? Paleo Sweets. It's by Kelsey Ale, Paleo Hacks, and it's only like $6 right now. You're just paying for shipping. So I'll try to find the link to add that. But these are grams, and they came out really good. Yeah. The kids have eaten a bunch of them. So what I did a few tweaks to mine, of course. I added a little bit of bone broth powder, vanilla, to them just to get a little bit more protein. And then I've been trying to do something with this banana flour that I have, this green banana flour. It's high in potassium. And it's got a lot of minerals and resistant starch, so I wanted to add a little bit of that. So I added a couple tablespoons to that.
It was really good.
Did it? Yeah. Did you taste the difference? Anyhow, yeah, so if you have kids and they love grams, make these because you can add other things in them. I'll probably add like a little bit of green powder in it next time because they won't even taste it. So there you go, homemade grams by Kelsey Ale Paleo Sweets.
And we're just going to show you the recipe.
Right there. Say bye. Have a good day.
Bye. Have a good day.